Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be all about this hair right here. This is from Aliexpress hair on Aliexpress. Now by this time you're seeing this video, the 11/11 sale has already passed, but Aliexpress always has coupons floating around, so I don't pay full price ever, and you don't have to either. So if you see some hair that you want, but say it's a little bit out of your price range, go ahead and look for some Aliexpress coupons. Sometimes the vendor themselves will have some coupons, and on top of that, you can always talk to the vendor, let them know your budget, and sometimes they will lower the price for you, especially if you are a long-time buyer. So when it comes to hair, full price is not in my vocabulary. And I highly suggest you try that out if you are a hair lover like me, because y'all know I'll be wearing a wig for 1 to 2 weeks and then you're canceled, it's done, on to the next. So anyway, back to this hair. This is from Aliexpress hair, and I first heard about this company from You're a Deer on YouTube. I will leave the video, a link to her video down below, the one that I watched where she was featuring this hair, and then I was like, let's just try it. Their prices are very affordable. I have noticed that textured hair does cost a little bit more than straight hair, but I also feel like curly hair is a little bit more on the more affordable side because not everybody wants to have the maintenance that comes with curly hair. Now, if you see this color, you're probably wondering like, girl, why aren't you showing us, how you got the color? Because I overprocessed it. See, what happened was I started bleaching the hair, and then I had to take care of Adelaide, and an hour passed, and yeah. But as you can see, the hair is still very, very nice. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I maintain my curly hair wigs, and the proof is in the pudding right here. The proof is in the pudding. Now, I'm not going to lie to you. Everything in this video, I am going to show you the amount of shedding I got when I washed it, when I combed it, when I conditioned it. I am going to show you the shedding. But that's not because the hair is bad. That's because I overprocessed it. So I am going to be doing a new video showing you how I bleach curly hair, except this time I'm going to make sure I have a block of time where I'm by myself, so there's no possible way that I can overprocess it. But yeah, let's talk about price real quick, and then I will show you how I maintain this wig. So what I have in my head right now are 2 bundles. One is a 14-inch and one is a 16-inch. Now, I originally bought 3 bundles of hair, but I ruined a bundle because once again, I had overprocessed it. This all happened in the same day. But if you want 14 inches, if you want a 14-inch, a 16-inch, and a 16-inch, the price was $92.18. Of course, I use my coupons because once again, full price is not my vocabulary. So I paid $75.12 for these inches. Now, if you're one of those people that like some long ass lengths, of course, that price is going to go up. But if you are moderate like I am, you can get away with this look for less than $100, even at full price. So, oh, and the frontal, you guys know, Ross Pretty hair all the way. Anyway, yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. This is not, obviously it's not glued down. So yes, I love this hair, and I'm going to be telling you a little bit more about it after I show you how I wash it, but let's just get into the maintenance.
So this is a wig after a week and a half of wear. As I said in the intro, I usually wear my hair for 1 to 2 weeks. So as you can see, it's pretty dry, looking pretty used, but it's not matted, which I want to emphasize that it is not matted. So first thing you want to do is get your wig wet with warm water, and you're using warm water because you want to open all the cuticles so the moisturizing products that you are putting in your hair can penetrate the hair strands. And usually I would be using my Aussie Moist Conditioner, but I ran out, so I'm trying this new Hair One Co-Wash, and it is infused with olive oil. And the bottle literally says the longer you keep it on, the better it works. So I did leave this on for a good 10 minutes. And I'm combing out the hair with a wide tooth comb while it's wet. I never comb curly hair when it's dry. I only do it when it's wet, and when I do comb it, it's always with a wide tooth comb. That's with my curly wigs and my natural hair. So after I'm done getting all the tangles out, I'm then going to rinse this wig with warm water to get all of that co-wash out. And I have to say I do like this product. It left the hair very smooth, not like it's been conditioned, but it wasn't as drying as a normal shampoo would be. And I wanted to show you the shedding. I wanted to remind you that this is an over-processed wig, so I consider this amount of shedding pretty good for it being over-processed. You probably won't get that amount of shedding if you don't over-process your wig. So for conditioning, I went in with this restorative mask, Ion Smooth Conditioner, and then this keratin mask that I got with my Schwarzkopf Blonde Me Bleach. And then I'm pouring in some avocado oil, and I'm also going to be pouring in some grapeseed oil into the bag. Now this is where I messed up. You can plainly see this is a Big Lots bag, and obviously the Big Lots is in black ink. This is how my lace got tinted a darker color, because the ink from the bag got into my hair. I don't know how the hair itself didn't darken, but the lace definitely did. So if you do this method, make sure you do not use a grocery bag that has a black ink. Anyway, this is me running the conditioner through, and then after that I pop it in the microwave for about a minute to a minute and a half, and then wrap it in a towel overnight. So this is the next day, and this is what the hair looks like, and then you just rinse it with cold water and let it air dry.
So this is what the wig looks like after it has air dried. And if you notice that my hairline is really dark, I don't know what happened to the lace. It's like it got darker. I'm pretty sure it was the ink from the plastic bag that I used. I should have made sure that I used a very like just a regular white plastic bag that didn't have any black ink on it. Like usually I use my Pat's bags where they have green and yellow ink on them. I should have paid attention, but I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. But as far as the hair goes, it's very, very soft. And as I said in the earlier part of this video, I did over process this hair when I bleached it, so that's why I haven't shown you a how-to video on how I got this color, because I did over process it. But that was only because, you know, I am a mom now and priorities are the baby and then hair. So that was the only reason that it over processed. I am going to be filming a video in the future on how to bleach your curly hair and keep the curls. Because if you have been following me for a while, you know, I think it was like maybe really early last year, I bleached a curly wig and all of the curls fell out. Well, I have upped my game as far as knowing how to deal with curly hair, and granted, the curls are not the kinky curly that it was when I first got it, but it's still very textured. It's more textured than I would say a deep wave is. And this is from Ali Gray's Hair. You guys know the frontal is from Ross Pretty Hair, but the bundles are from Ali Gray's Hair. I think I mentioned that also in the first half of this video. But I really, really enjoy their hair. And the main reason I enjoy it is because it does not matte in the back. Even though this is curly hair, even though it is over processed, I don't get any mats on my nape. Now, I don't know if that would be the same case if this was sewn into my head. This is a wig. But I do wear my wigs for like a week to 2 weeks at a time, and I still don't get any matting. So I think that's saying something about the quality of their hair, that even though this is over processed, it's still wearable, it's still workable, it's still beautiful. So yeah, big shout out to Ali Gray's Hair. Of course, they did not send me this hair. I paid for this hair. But that's definitely a company that I want to let you guys know I'm going to be purchasing more curly hair from and trying to bleach it again, this time making sure that I don't get distracted, so I can show you how to lift hair, especially curly hair, properly. Because like I said in my past videos, I did it and the curls fell out. Now I know what I did wrong. So yeah. And as far as this lace goes, I don't know. I'm probably going to end up like selling this wig anyway, because y'all know how I am. I wear a wig for a couple weeks and then I'm just like, canceled, on to the next. So if you see this wig on my Poshmark, you'll know why. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, then please give me a big thumbs up and press the subscribe button down in the description box so you don't miss any more content from me. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!